welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to combine or blend images together to create a colorful little look. So let's begin. First of all, you're gonna keep your width to 1920 and your height to 1080 and set it to pixels. Click on custom size and create new design. After your design is created, go on uploads and I'm gonna take this picture right here. And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna set it to the size of my page and I'm gonna click on edit. I'm gonna scroll down over here and I'm gonna click on magic expand whole page and I'm gonna click on expand. After it is expanded, now what I'm gonna do, so now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna search for forest and after you search and click on photos. I will take this picture, but before I take this picture, I'm gonna add a page. I'm gonna click over here and I'm gonna put it the size of the to the inner page. I know it's not fitting my page, but it's okay. I just need this part over here. Now what you're gonna do is then I'm just gonna search for gradient, click on graphics, scroll down until you find this one right here. Rotate it the way you want. I'm just gonna rotate it minus 180. And then I'm gonna make it this much like this. And I just wanted, before I add my gradients, I wanted that my man goes a little bit to the left more. Let's go and edit. And I'm gonna click on magic expand, whole image, and I'm gonna expand it again. Let's just pick this one right here, done. I really wanted that my man goes to the left more. I'm gonna retreat it like this. Now again, I'm just gonna do the process again. I'm just gonna make it now more huger. And then I'm gonna click on Alt and I'm gonna make another duplicate of this one. Like this. Now it's better. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna select these both and then I'm gonna grip these. I'm gonna make a copy of them and then I'm gonna paste this one right here, but this time I'm gonna rotate it minus 180 again, but over this position like this. And I noticed that my gradient was a little bit off from this side. Let me just fix that. Now it's okay and ready to go. And then just I'm gonna fix that one. This one is also fixed now. Now I'm ready. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click on download and I'm gonna download this page one first. And after doing this one, I'm gonna download page number 2 and I'm then gonna do page number 1. This like this. I'm gonna add a page and this time I'm gonna click on uploads and I'm gonna upload this one right here. Over here like this. First of all, I'm gonna make it till the size of my page. And I'm gonna take this one over here, this one, and then I'm gonna just paste it above this one. Like this. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take it a little behind and I'm gonna decrease this transparency like this. Now I'm just gonna download this one. I know your thing is kind of blurry. I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with next. Current page, which is page number 3, and then I'm gonna download this one right here. And then I'm just gonna paste this one over here. Like this. Now what you're gonna do is that after it's get loaded, you're gonna click on edit and click on adjust. edit this and I'm gonna show you back after editing. So this is my final result. Hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate if you could support me on Facebook. This is my account, Engage Designers. Here I design different kinds of posts, logos, and many type of illustrations. So please check that out and don't forget to follow me on Facebook